In this day and age, churches are seen as an easy target for attacks. As a church safety team or a pastor or just a church member, you need to be ready for any threat to your church. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most important tools that you can have in your church to save lives. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Will Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourselves, your family, and your houses of worship. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that we can get this training past the algorithm. Before we jump right into it, if you are new to firearms training and you want to improve your handgun skills, I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my 10-day dry fire guide. This is 10 specific dry fire drills to help your draw, your accuracy, and your speed, and it's completely free. So go check that out in the description down below. No matter how big your church is, how new your church safety team is, or what their level of training is, medical is a crucial part of your church safety plan. It's also the best place to start because even if your church is not too excited about the idea of pepper spray and handguns in church, everyone can get behind preparing for medical emergencies. So for my church safety team, we have a specific team member assigned to medical every week. For a while in my church, my safety team has just brought their own trauma kits to church, but I wanted to have a more robust kit that we could keep there at the church at all times. This is helpful because no matter who's there or who's traveling, the kit stays consistent, and then individuals on the safety team don't feel like they have to purchase their own and bring their own to church every week, although it's still a good idea. So we decided to go with the mass casualty kit from Mountain Man Medical. Now my church ordered this kit and paid full price for it. I didn't get this for free and they didn't ask me to do a review. Before we get into what's inside of here, if you or your church is interested in training with us, then click the link down below. So just for reference, this is my personal trauma medical kit and this is the mass casualty kit. It's much bigger because it was made for churches, schools, and businesses to be able to deal with multiple casualty injuries. All right, let's take a quick look inside. All right, so the first thing here is trauma shears. And then we've got some compressed crinkle gauze, 2 nasal airway tubes, 2 Chido gauze, a triangular bandage, 4 chest seals, so 2 sets of chest seals. On this side, you've got a softy tourniquet. And then typically the kit comes with another softy tourniquet, but I switched it out for a cat tourniquet simply because it's what my team has trained with the most, so I like having both in there. You've got your permanent marker to write the time that you put the tourniquet on, high pressure dressing, another high pressure dressing, and in this little pouch, we've got 2 masks for CPR, 4 sets of gloves, and an emergency blanket. So this is a good, robust kit. For a church of my size, it is so crucial to have something like this on hand to be able to take care of the people if they're injured. So that's what's inside of this thing. This is a really robust kit and it is perfect for a church. Your church is not prepared for a critical incident if you don't have a trauma kit. Check out Mountain Man Medical in the link down below. If you want some more in-depth training on trauma medicine or what exactly these items are used for, then check out my videos with Dr. Joel Madison after this one. Also, if your church has not taken a Stop the Bleed class, you can take those for free with the Red Cross if there's one offered in your area. But Mountain Man Medical also has an online class that's completely free. So if you can't get to an in-person one, then definitely check that one out. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.